Welcome to Scalpology. My name's Ryan Bolesky. I've been a trader for the last 6 years and I'm your instructor. I just want to applaud you guys, right, for joining me here on this YouTube series because you've taken the first step towards financial freedom and a day trading career, all right? So in this first video, it's very important that we go over the expectations for you and your journey as a day trader, and then we go over what day trading actually is, all right? And at the end, I'm going to give you a homework assignment, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. That way you can get that homework assignment and have it completed for the next lesson. So guys, jumping right into it, your journey as a day trader, right? Expectations versus reality, all right? We all know Instagram versus reality, right? This is the girl we bring home from the bar, all right? Sorry, ladies, if you're watching this, but this is the girl we bring home from the bar, and this is the girl we wake up to, right? This is your expectations as a day trader. Everybody thinks it's a get-rich-quick program, right? It's not. The stock market is statistical probability and edge over time, okay? You see a lot of people might get rich overnight in the stock market, but those profits aren't systematic, repeatable, and consistent, okay? A lot of those people that made money on a lot of those high-risk plays end up losing it the same way they made it, all right? You need to understand right now that the stock market, day trading, swing trading, it's not get rich overnight. I'm sorry if you thought that's what it was, but I'm not here to steer you down the wrong path, okay? A lot of people will steer you that way, and that's simply not the case. If you think that this is going to be your journey as a day trader, right? You're just going to ride your bike from point A to point B, you are absolutely wrong. This is not going to be your journey as a day trader, okay? There are going to be bumps and bruises along the way, and I can't take those licks for you. You're going to take your licks. I've taken my licks over the last 6 years, right? Everybody's experience, everybody's journey as a day trader is going to be completely different. Some people are going to struggle with things that other people don't, okay? For some of you, it's going to be psychology. For some of you, it's going to be the methodology of trading. We'll get into that, all right? So here is your actual reality as a day trader, okay? A lot of day traders, they come into the market, they get that first profit, right? It's like betting horses, beginner's luck, right? Your first sports bet, right? Everybody always wins their first time. They always get the beginner's luck because it gives you that high that you're going to be chasing for the rest of your life, right? So a lot of people come into the market, they have a great first trade, okay? And they continue to look for that, right? Because they didn't really know what they were doing. They were just buying a stock randomly, right? And they go into a massive drawdown on the next couple trades. Now, some people quit here, but most people persevere through that one. So they slowly start to build up again, right? Get back above break even. And it's like, yeah, I'm the next Warren Buffett. And then out of nowhere, Mike Tyson just comes in and wham, just gives you a sucker punch from hell, right? A vicious overhand right that puts you in a drawdown that was worse than the last one. And what happens here and why they say that 90% of day traders lose money is that because once a person gets here, they generally quit, all right? 90% of day traders lose money because 90% of day traders fall somewhere down here. They don't have the money to continue and they have to move on to the next phase of life, right? But for the 10% that succeed, they fix the psychology, right? Which is very important. Psychology is 80% of trading. We'll get into that. And then they start to keep it simple. They start applying risk management, right? They start to trust their edge in the stock market. And that's what prevails a person as the 10% of people that can actually make money in day trading, okay? Now, this is the reality of what can happen if you don't know what you're doing in day trading, right? The things that I teach you on this YouTube channel, the things that I teach you in my courses will never have you in a position like this, right? We're going to learn stop losses. We're going to learn to never be in this position, okay? These people are taking their life savings and just dumping it into options, dumping it into stocks. I mean, this is terrible, right? You never want to lose 20% of your position on one trade. That's absolutely ridiculous. So this is what can happen, but this is where you will never be because you found me, all right? All right, very important. What is day trading, right? What is this financial vehicle that we're going to use to make money in the stock market? In its simplest form, day trading refers to the practice of purchase and selling a stock within a single trading day. Okay, it can occur in any marketplace, but it's common in foreign exchange and the stock markets. Day traders are typically well-educated and well-funded, but that's not always the case, all right? Day traders can use high amounts of leverage, margin, for short-term trading strategies to capitalize on small price movements that occur in highly liquid stocks or currencies. Don't worry about this. We'll get all into the terminology in the next video so you'll understand everything, all right? Day trading can turn out to be a lucrative career as long as you do it properly, but it can also be a little challenging for beginners, especially those who aren't fully prepared with a well-planned strategy. That's why you're here. Even the most seasoned day traders can hit rough patches and experience losses. And there will be losses. Losses are inevitable in the stock market. You will take losses. But with risk management and money management, you'll learn how to, even with losses, make money. Types of trading, all right? Scalping, scalpology, the fourth pillar of trading. That's what I teach. This strategy attempts to take numerous small profits on small price changes throughout the day. It could also be considered day trading, but it's more of a methodology versus a way of trading, all right? Intraday refers to the practice of purchasing and selling a security within a single trading day, all right? That's day trading. You buy in the morning, sell in the afternoon. Swing trading. Swing trading is a style of trading that attempts to capture short to medium-term gains in a stock over a period of few days to several weeks, all right? So you buy at support, and then in a few weeks, you sell at a resistance point. Swing trading can really build wealth, all right? So once you learn scalping and day trading and you get good at that, you can use these tactics to go into swing trading. Now, core trading. These for my boomers out there. This is when you just buy a stock, right, when you're 18 and you sell it when you're 65, all right? Core holdings in the central investments of long-term portfolios, okay? So 401k, your parents, that are long-term holders of stocks. So the key takeaways of what I just said, day traders are active traders who execute intraday strategies to profit from a given stock's price changes. Day trading employs a wide variety of techniques and strategies to capitalize on perceived market inefficiencies and edges. Day trading is often characterized by technical analysis and requires a high degree of self-discipline and objectivity. So guys, remember I told you about the homework assignment that I was going to give you, and I'm going to give it to you right now. What we're going to do is we're going to go to www.webull.com. If you don't already have an account, you can click the link in the description below. And what we're going to do is we're going to get access to a trading account that gives us $1 million in fake money, all right? It's called paper trading. They're going to give you access to $1 million. Doesn't cost anything. Don't got to put a credit card in. Don't got to fund the account, right? The only thing you're going to need to start a brokerage account is obviously your personal information because, for tax purposes, if you start trading, they're going to want that stuff. But go to www.webull.com, link in the description below, and you can go up here to features and go down to paper trading and open up a paper trading account, right? And then we're going to go through a full tutorial on Webull, desktop and mobile, show you how to set it up. Once we get into stock trading, we're going to show you how to place your first trade and how to create watch lists and create stock scanners and how to get into stock trading in a whole. Now, if you do sign up for a Webull account, you get like 10 free stocks. I get free stocks. So make sure you're using that link in the description below, guys. Make sure you get this homework assignment done. And on your next lesson, we're going to go through some stock market terminology. So guys, I hope you enjoyed your first lesson on how to get started day trading in 2022. I will see you on the next one.